Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, let's talk about how to access Marketplace inside Minecraft. And as you can see right here, this is just a free trial version. However, just sign in with your Microsoft account and you're going to log in inside it. I'm going to teach you the works on how to access it. First thing you want to do is again, open up your Minecraft Bedrock Edition and make sure you're signed in with a Microsoft account. From the main menu, click or tap the Marketplace button. Marketplace button should be on the lower section of the device. And then once the Marketplace, go to the search bar and featured item section. Type or look for keywords like free, free map, and free skin pack. These are the keywords I can give you. Or basically type in free and you're going to see everything that's free inside Marketplace. You'll see a list of available free items. These are usually promotional items from Mojang or seasonal content. And I think right now Dungeons and Dragons and How to Train Dragons would be the one for the free content as of now. Tap or click at any item you want and select Get or Download button, just like downloading your own application. Wait for the item to be downloaded and installed. It will automatically be added to your content. To access your new free item, go back to the main menu and navigate to your profile or relevant content section, which is going to be skins, worlds, etc. Equip or play with the item as you would with the purchase content. Treat it as a purchase content. Now, bonus, visit the Minecraft Marketplace often, because try it every day, because sometimes it really gives out random, limited edition free items. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.